Now beta, the next we are going to start multiple and sub-multiple unit of mass. Multiple means the bigger one, like kilograms, bigger one from the kilogram, and sub-multiple means the lower one, like you are having gram. So the sub-multiple means the lower one. So what is the bigger unit? Beta, you have to learn all these unit. Bigger unit is what? That is quintal. Bigger unit is quintal. So 1 quintal is equal to how much? 100 kilogram. Another bigger unit we are having, that is metric ton. What is the bigger unit? Metric ton. So 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kilogram or 10 quintal. How 10 quintal? Now 10, if 1 quintal is equal to 100 kilogram, so 10 quintal is equal to how much? 1000 kilogram. This quintal and 1 metric ton are what? Are the bigger units, are the multiple units. The next we are having the smaller units. So the smaller unit is what? As you all are familiar with it, that is gram. What it is? That is gram. It is denoted with what? A letter small g. And we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So bacha, 1 gram is equal to, this numerator will come in the denominator. 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg. What it is equal to? 1 upon 1000 kg. So the next we are having milligram. Smaller than gram, that is what? Milligram. Milligram, mg. Milligram. It is represented as mg. So we know that 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So 1 milligram is equal to 1 upon 1000 grams. 1 milligram is equal to 1 upon 1000 grams. So here we are having the two conversions. That is how these are equal to each other. So we are having 1 milligram is equal to 1000 grams. Now you think about it. If 1 milligram is equal to 1 upon 1000 grams, then 1 milligram is equal to how many kgs? Okay, now this conversion we are going to do. Listen to me carefully. So we are having 1 upon 1000 gram is equal to 1 milligram. And we have done this, that 1 upon 1000 kilogram is equal to 1 gram. Bacha, we have done this. Now, can I put the value of this 1 gram here at the value of this gram? So, what it will become? It will become 1 upon 1000 into 1 upon 1000 kilogram is equal to 1 milligram. So, कितनी zeros है यहाँ पे अब? How many zeros are there? 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is 10 raised to power 6 किलोग्राम इज इक्वल टू 1 मिलीग्राम. ठीक हो गया. अब जो ये 6 है जो आपका डू यू नो दिया हुआ है, दिस इज इन डिनोमिनेटर बेटा. When from this denominator we bring it into numerator, तो क्या हो जाएगा 10 raised to power -6. ये माइनस इसलिए आ गया है क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर की वैल्यू को हम न्यूमिरेटर में लेके गए हैं तो हमारे पास माइनस आ गया. सो 10 raised to power -6 kg is equal to what? 1 milligram. So now let's read it from your book what they are saying. In your book we are having that bigger units, smaller units, and bacha in your book that box they also represent grams also 10 raised to power -3 kg. क्या लिखा हुआ है उन्होंने? 1 gram is equal to 1/1000 kg. Now again how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. So 10 raised to power 3 kg. Now this 3 when I take it in numerator तो ये प्लस क्या हो जाएगा 10 raised to power -3 kg. 10 raised to power -3 kg. ठीक हो गया. फिर हमने बात की थी FPS and in CGS system. What are the units here we are having? That is for FPS we are having that is pound, and in CGS system we are having the unit gram. Symbol of pound is what? LB, and symbol of gram is G. Symbol of pound is LB, symbol of gram is G. Okay, again further values are given beta. That is 1 pound is equal to 453.59 gram. 453.59 ग्राम. डिवाइसेस हम कौन से यूज करते हैं? बीम बैलेंस, and electronic balance. All of you just read it till here, see all the conversions. If you have any doubt, please post it in your WhatsApp group. I'll answer all your doubts. Take care beta, stay safe, stay at home, enjoy.